Xiaomi, the highest smartphone selling company in India, has now entered the flagship segment. Imagine a company that gives you power-packed features in less than 20,000 rupees is now launching a phone that is going to cost you over 80,000. It is going to be very interesting to see what Xiaomi offers in this flagship segment. Let's dive right into the video and know more about the specifications of Xiaomi 13T Pro.
Xiaomi, the Chinese tech giant, is reportedly gearing up to launch its latest flagship, the Xiaomi 13T Pro, the much-awaited successor to the Xiaomi 12T Pro that took the smartphone market by storm last year. Although Xiaomi has kept the details of the upcoming device under wraps, some key specifications have recently been uncovered through a Geekbench listing. The Xiaomi 13T Pro global variant made its presence known on the benchmarking website, revealing some intriguing insights. One notable feature is the operating system. The phone is expected to ship with Android 13 straight out of the box, providing users with the latest Android experience. But what's more fascinating is the power under the hood. The Xiaomi 13T Pro is rumored to be fueled by a MediaTek chipset. Reports indicate it could house the powerful MediaTek Dimensity 9200 plus SoC, a true performance beast with an octa-core processor. This processor includes 4 cores clocked at 2.00 GHz, 3 cores at 3.00 GHz, and 1 supercharged core reaching an impressive 3.35 GHz. Geekbench test also gave us a glimpse of the device's powerful prowess. The Xiaomi 13T Pro achieved an impressive score of 1289 in the single-core test and an outstanding 3921 in the multi-core test, proving its mettle in handling demanding tasks with ease. That's not all. Additional leaks have surfaced, pointing towards the phone's memory and storage capabilities. The Xiaomi 13T Pro is set to pack a whopping 16 GB of RAM and will be available in either a 256 GB or 512 GB storage option. To keep you going all day long, a robust 5000 mAh battery is expected to power the device, with the added convenience of 67-watt fast charging support. Excitement mounts as we eagerly await the official announcement from Xiaomi. The device's previous appearance on the IMTS certification site hints at an imminent launch. And as for the price tag, rumors suggest the Xiaomi 13T Pro might hit the market at around 799 euros, approximately rupees 82,900 for the 12 GB RAM plus 512 GB storage variant. With the Xiaomi 13T Pro on the horizon, it's evident that Xiaomi continues to push the boundaries of innovation and technology. As the company takes a leap forward into the future, we can't wait to witness what the Xiaomi 13T Pro has in store for us. Stay tuned for more updates on Xiaomi's latest flagship, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tech updates.